Welcome to LumenSoft video tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn how to attach a salesman reference with the sale invoice. From the Shop Activities menu, select Sales and Return. The Sale and Return screen displays. You can see that the field for the salesperson on the top of the screen. During invoice definition, a salesperson is associated with the invoice. This helps in evaluating amount of sales made by the salesperson later on. Notice that right now the salesperson field is disabled. To enable it, from the configuration menu, select System Configuration. Now select Purchase tab. From here, select the Enable Salesperson checkbox and save the configuration. On navigating back to the Sale and Return screen, you will notice that the salesperson field is enabled. Before defining the invoice, you can enter the salesperson through this field. This field consists of the names of salespersons defined in the system. You can also define a new salesperson from scratch. To do the needful, from the configuration menu, select Shop Definition. Now select the Shop Employees tab. The grid is displaying all the employees defined for the shop. Notice that against some of these employees, the Set as Salesperson checkbox is selected, which implies that these employees are salespersons, while the rest of the employees don't have this checkbox selected. The salesperson field in the Sale and Return screen will only display those employees for selection that have this checkbox selected. In order to define a new employee, click New from the toolbar. Now provide the name and code for the employee. You can even define the types available in the employee type list. For this, from the configuration menu, select Miscellaneous and then click Employee Type. This launches the Employee Type screen. You will define the employee type from the screen and then click Save. Navigating back to the Shop Employees tab, you will notice that the defined type is now available in the list. There are two methods of selecting the salesperson from the Sale and Return screen. Firstly, you can type the code of the salesperson in the salesperson field and click Enter. Second method is to click the salesperson field and then click F1 from the keyboard. This launches the Employee Help dialog. The employees defined as salesperson are displaying in the list. Select the salesperson and then define the invoice. On saving the invoice, the reference of the salesperson is also attached with it. By accessing the salesperson-wise sale report from the reports menu, you can view the individual sales status of any salesperson. Notice that when you click Save to save the invoice, the salesperson field is cleared. You can configure the system so that the salesperson does not clear after the invoice is saved. For this, select System Configuration from the Configuration menu. Now select the Sales Purchase tab. From here, deselect the Enable Clear Salesperson on Save checkbox and save the configuration. So next time after you have defined the invoice, you will notice that the salesperson field does not clear the code for the salesperson. This feature is handy if only one salesperson is defining invoices in the shop. Thank you for your attention.